Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series. Today's lesson is called Why People Love Living in Dubai, and in this episode, you'll hear a detailed and natural English conversation between Emma and Ryan about the reasons so many people choose to live in Dubai. From lifestyle and safety to opportunities and culture, you'll learn long, fluent English sentences, improve your listening and speaking skills, and discover useful vocabulary for talking confidently about life in a modern global city. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to comment below. Would you like to live in Dubai someday? Why or why not? Alright, let's start.
Ryan, I've been hearing so many people say Dubai is one of the best places to live in the world. Do you think that's true?
Honestly, Emma, after living here for a few years, I truly understand why people fall in love with this city, because it offers a rare blend of modern comfort, global culture, and endless ambition.
That sounds exciting. What would you say is the first reason people love living there?
I think the number one reason is opportunity. Whether you're a fresh graduate or a seasoned professional, Dubai gives you the feeling that anything is possible if you're willing to work hard and stay committed.
So career growth is a big factor.
Definitely, people come here with dreams, and many actually achieve them because the city supports innovation, entrepreneurship, and success.
I've also heard the lifestyle is amazing. Is that true?
Absolutely. The lifestyle is luxurious, convenient, and filled with activities, whether you enjoy beaches, shopping malls, desert adventures, fancy restaurants, or quiet cafes with skyline views.
That sounds like a dream.
It really does feel like one sometimes, especially when you look around and see futuristic buildings, beautiful roads, palm trees, and sparkling clean public spaces everywhere.
What about transportation? Is it easy to get around?
Yes, Dubai has a very efficient system. The metro is clean and modern. Taxis are everywhere, and many people also enjoy driving because the roads are so smooth and well designed.
I've always heard Dubai is incredibly safe. Is that true?
100%. Safety is one of the biggest reasons people love living here. You can walk around late at night without fear, and crime rates are impressively low.
That makes living there so peaceful.
Yes, knowing you and your family are safe brings a comfort that money cannot buy, and people deeply appreciate that.
What about the weather? Isn't it too hot?
Summers are definitely intense, but the city is built for it. Everywhere you go, from bus stops to malls to offices, has air conditioning, so life continues smoothly.
But I guess winters must be amazing.
Oh, winter in Dubai feels magical. Sunny days, cool breezes, outdoor markets, picnics, beaches, and beautiful evenings by the waterfront.
That sounds like paradise.
In many ways, it truly feels like one, especially when you're walking by the marina at night and the city lights reflect on the water.
How do people usually spend their free time?
There are endless options: beach days, gym sessions, desert camping, brunch, shopping, cultural exhibitions, and relaxing dinners with friends.
And what about shopping? I've heard Dubai is the place for it.
Yes, shopping here is legendary. From luxurious designer boutiques to affordable street fashion, you can find absolutely everything.
Do people enjoy the multicultural atmosphere?
Definitely, Dubai is one of the most diverse cities on earth, and meeting people from more than 200 nationalities teaches you open-mindedness and global thinking.
That must make life exciting.
It does. Every day feels like traveling around the world without leaving one city.
What about food?
Dubai is a food paradise. You can taste flavors from every continent, from traditional Emirati dishes to Italian, Indian, Japanese, and even small hidden local gems.
Sounds like food lovers are in heaven there.
Trust me, they are, and weekend brunch culture here is absolutely huge and lively.
Do you feel like living in Dubai has changed you?
Yes, it has made me more disciplined, ambitious, and confident, because the city's energy pushes you to improve yourself every day.
That's inspiring.
Dubai encourages growth, personal, professional, and emotional.
Do people feel proud to live there?
Yes, people often feel a strong sense of pride because the city grows so fast and demonstrates what humans can achieve when they dream big.
I really admire that spirit.
It's contagious. You start believing that big goals are normal.
Do families enjoy living there too?
Absolutely, great schools, safe neighborhoods, parks, kids' activities, and family-friendly communities make it ideal for raising children.
And what about healthcare?
Healthcare is excellent, modern hospitals, experienced doctors, and fast service.
That makes life secure.
Yes, you always feel protected and cared for.
Do you ever get bored?
Honestly, boredom doesn't exist here. There's always a new cafe, new event, new attraction, or new experience waiting.
It sounds like a city full of surprises.
Exactly, Dubai reinvents itself constantly. What's new today becomes normal tomorrow.
What's your favorite place in the city?
I love the marina at night, the skyline, the water, the calm atmosphere. It feels magical.
And for nature lovers?
There are beaches, desert landscapes, mountain trips nearby, and beautiful parks.
People must stay very active.
Yes, fitness culture is huge, gyms everywhere, cycling tracks, jogging paths, and outdoor yoga sessions.
That's so healthy.
Dubai encourages a balanced lifestyle, work hard, stay healthy, and enjoy life.
Do people make friends easily there?
Yes, because everyone is from somewhere else. People are open to making connections.
That creates a nice community feeling.
Exactly, you build a second family here.
How do locals treat foreigners?
With warmth and respect, hospitality is a huge part of Emirati culture.
That's wonderful.
It truly makes you feel welcome.
Do you feel safe living alone?
Absolutely, there's almost zero fear, day or night.
That must feel amazing.
It gives so much peace of mind.
What about job variety? Every industry exists here. Tech, tourism, business, finance, media, hospitality, fashion, and more. Endless opportunities.
Yes, and people come here specifically to build successful careers.
What about the economy?
Strong, stable, future-focused, and global.
Do people feel safe financially?
Mostly yes, there are many jobs and business opportunities.
What motivates people the most in Dubai?
The idea that hard work really pays off here.
And what inspires you personally?
The skyline reminds me every day that dreams can become real.
That's powerful.
It truly is. You feel energy everywhere.
What's the social life like?
Very vibrant events, gatherings, social clubs, and endless activities.
People must stay busy.
Yes, the city keeps life exciting and productive.
Does living there feel luxurious?
Many things feel premium, from clean streets to beautifully designed buildings and high-quality services.
Even everyday life feels special.
Yes, even a simple coffee break feels elegant when you're surrounded by beauty.
How would you describe the city's atmosphere?
Positive, ambitious, diverse, and forward-thinking.
That's motivating.
It truly lifts your spirit.
What's the work culture like?
Dynamic, fast, professional, and competitive, which keeps you sharp.
Does it get overwhelming?
Sometimes, but the rewards and environment make it worth it.
What about public service quality?
Excellent, clean streets, fast government services, helpful staff.
Sounds organized.
Extremely, efficiency is a priority here.
Do people enjoy celebrations?
Yes, festivals, holidays, fireworks, cultural events, always something happening.
The city feels alive.
Yes, there's constant energy in the air.
How would you describe Dubai in one sentence?
A city where big dreams, safety, luxury, and multicultural life meet in one bright, shining place.
Beautiful answer.
Thank you, but it's how many people feel.
Would you recommend other people live there?
Absolutely, especially if they want growth, opportunity, and inspiration.
And if someone prefers calm life?
Then they might prefer suburbs or occasionally escape to nature. Dubai gives options.
What about the people's attitude?
Optimistic, hardworking, ambitious, polite, and respectful.
That's wonderful.
It creates a very uplifting environment.
Do young people enjoy living there?
Yes, lots of career chances, nightlife, beaches, and modern living.
What about retirees?
Even retirees enjoy winter life here because of weather and hospitality.
What would you miss if you left Dubai?
The energy, the skyline, the sun, the food, the people, pretty much everything.
Do people feel a sense of pride about the city?
Yes, they feel they are part of something extraordinary and constantly improving.
Would you say Dubai motivates people to dream bigger?
Absolutely, it silently tells you if this city can transform, so can you.
That's poetic.
It's how many residents feel, trust me.
What about networking and connections?
Fantastic, you meet successful and inspiring people daily.
That feeds ambition.
Yes, inspirations everywhere.
Why do families love it?
Education, safety, activities, healthcare, and clean environments.
Why do young professionals love it?
Jobs, lifestyle, gym culture, events, beaches, and global exposure.
Why do entrepreneurs love it?
Business-friendly rules, supportive ecosystem, and international market.
Why do travelers love it?
Stunning infrastructure, luxury, safety, culture, and hospitality.
Why do food lovers love it?
Every global cuisine in one city, from fine dining to street food.
Why do dreamers love it?
Because Dubai makes dreams feel realistic, not distant fantasies.
That's powerful.
Yes, the city has that magic.
Does Dubai reward hard work?
Very much. Effort translates into results here.
And discipline?
Essential and appreciated, people value efficiency here.
What about personal growth?
Massive, living here forces you to upgrade your mindset and habits.
I really see the appeal now.
Once you experience it, it's hard to forget.
What values do people learn there?
Respect, ambition, punctuality, cultural harmony, and gratitude.
How does Dubai treat newcomers?
Warmly, as long as you respect the culture, you are welcomed.
That's beautiful.
It's a city built on unity and respect.
Do you ever feel lonely there?
Sometimes, but the community and city life help a lot.
What helps you feel at home?
Friendly people, familiar foods, and the comfort of safety.
What inspires you most about Dubai?
The belief that the impossible can become possible here.
That's rare.
Very rare and precious.
If Dubai were a person, how would you describe them?
Confident, ambitious, generous, modern, and deeply respectful of tradition.
Beautiful description.
Thank you. Dubai has personality and character.
Do people feel grateful living there?
Yes, gratitude is a common feeling among residents.
What advice would you give someone moving there?
Be open-minded, stay ambitious, respect the culture, and embrace growth.
Great advice.
It will serve anyone well here.
Do you think Dubai will keep rising?
Yes, the city will continue evolving and surprising the world.
That's exciting.
The future here feels bright and full of possibility.
What's one thing you never take for granted?
Safety, opportunity, and the feeling of progress every day.
What are you most grateful for?
The chance to grow in a place that encourages excellence.
Dubai sounds like a dream destination.
For many people, it becomes not just a place to live, but a place to transform.
I can see why people love it so much.
Once you feel Dubai's energy, it stays with you forever.
Thank you for sharing all this. What a beautiful perspective.
Thank you, and to everyone watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. Would you love to live in Dubai?
Thanks for joining us. Keep practicing English and keep dreaming big.
See you in the next episode, and remember, every sunrise in Dubai is a reminder that new opportunities always exist.